Hello and welcome to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, and today we'll be doing arm exercises with weights for flabby arms. Get it right, get it tight, flabby arms. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. As well, go ahead and comment below for any ideas you have for exercises you'd like to see me do. Let's go ahead and get started. Dance, 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 dance. Push-up tricep kickback. Get into push-up position with dumbbells in both hands. Keep hands shoulder length apart with palms facing inward. With core tight and body straight from shoulder to ankle, lower chest down to ground and push back up. Bring left hand up to chest in 90-degree angle, then kick left arm back into a straight line. Return left arm back to chest, then back to ground. Repeat push-up, then follow same steps with right arm. This is 1 rep, complete for 50 reps. Plank with front raise. Grab dumbbell and get in plank position. Hold dumbbell in each hand directly below your shoulders and your palm facing towards your feet. With core tight and back straight, raise your left arm in front of you to shoulder height. Return left arm to starting position, then repeat with your right arm. That's 1 rep. Complete for 50 reps. Bicep curls. Holding dumbbells in each hand, stand up straight with core tight. Let dumbbells hang at arm's length with palms facing forward. Without moving your upper arm, slowly bend your elbows and curl dumbbells with each hand close to your shoulders as possible. Then slowly allow weights to return to starting position with arms extended. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Lateral arm raises. Holding dumbbells in each hand, stand up straight with core tight. Let dumbbells hang at arm's length with palms facing inward towards body. Keeping arms extended, raise arms laterally, shoulder length. Then bring back to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Alright guys, whew, your arms should be burning. Please comment below on how you enjoyed this workout. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Comment below for workouts you'd like to see me do in the future. And ladies, for abs this summer, don't forget to grab my ab book, Ab Workouts for Women, on my website. Thank you guys again for joining. Have a great day. Dance, 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 dance.